So, idadagdag na natin yung main clip natin. Okay? So, this is actually the main video. So, mapapansin nyo, may mga effects tayo. Okay? So, just have to go and to like override. Let's try this one. Okay? Ayan. Alright. Let's remove the auto animation. Okay? Kasi pag dinidikit mo yung clip, nagkakaroon siya ng, I don't know, transition ba yun or effects. And then, since sinabi ko dito, pull up, okay? So, meron kasi akong pull up, pull down, and then pull from the side na mga something sa mga videos ko. So, I usually do it this way, okay? So, animate ko siya. Start again. Start, tip, edge to center, and then from bottom to top. Edge to center, bottom to center. Okay? Let's see kung nag-timing ba yung moves ko. Okay?
On Jaconetics.
Okay, hindi siya timing. Okay, so you need to move. Okay, again, tanggalin lang yung yung transition. So let's see if
And here you go. So let's get it on Jaconetics.
parang
Okay, thank you for pulling me up.
okay, parang medyo okay, parang hindi siya masyadong na timing. Okay. So let's have it this way.
You go. So let's get it on Jaconetics.
Oh, parang
Okay, thank you for
parang hindi siya na timing. Saan na kayong timing nito? Oh, timing.
So let's get it on Jaconetics.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay, thank you for pulling me up, self. I hope hindi ka nabigatan sa akin. Alright. Okay, well, so today we will be doing again, a channel trailer. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna show you what.
Right. So, papanoorin muna natin guys kung ano yung videos na kailangan natin i-edit out kasi nga as you can see masyadong mahaba. Okay. Anyway, it's ano lang naman less than 19 minutes. Okay? But kailangan pa natin ito as much as possible close to 15. Okay, more or less 15 minutes lang yung videos. Pero itong 19 minutes masyadong mahaba na ito. So let's cut some portion of this video. Okay? Para naman hindi siya masyadong mahaba.
Channel trailer is. Okay, so in your channel trailer, you can actually go to your customize, your channel, and then you can see here, okay, in the layout portion. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung channel trailer. This is actually the first, okay, under the video spotlight. So we can add channel trailer. Okay, so channel trailer is for people who haven't subscribed. Okay, so if you will like click the home page, or if somebody will be visiting your account or your YouTube channel, ito yung kanilang makikita. Ayan. Okay, so that is actually a channel trailer. Okay, so let's close this one. So that is actually my channel trailer. Okay, so iba yung channel trailer sa featured video. Okay, yung channel trailer is your future subscribers, and then the featured video is for your returning subscribers. Okay, so yung makikita nila is your featured video. Okay, so iba yung featured video sa channel trailer. Okay, so your featured video is your whole video, and while your
Okay.
channel trailer is
I
actually
think we'll just
your
have to
it's
cut
like
it here kasi nga paulit-ulit na lang yung sinasabi ko. Okay.
1 minute kikita. Ayan. Okay, so that is actually a channel trailer. Okay, so let's iba yung channel trailer sa featured video. Okay, yung channel trailer is your future subscribers, and then the featured video is for your returning subscribers. Okay,
So dito. So I'm gonna cut it here. Kasi nga para ang dami ko ng kuda dito. Ayan. So again. So let's see kung tama ba yung nakat ko.
and then the featured video is for your returning subscriber.
Okay. Returning subscriber.
Okay? So yung makikita nila is your featured video. Okay? So iba yung featured video sa channel trailer. Okay? So your featured
Balik-balik
video
lang.
is your whole video, and while your channel trailer is actually your it's like a
Ulit-ulit.
1 minute, at least 1 minute video trailer. Okay? So make sure that it's 1 minute, because you know the algorithm of at
Make
least
sure.
1 minute video trailer. Okay? So make 1 minute, at least 1 minute video is actually your it's like a 1 minute, at least 1 minute video, and while your channel trailer is actually
So your channel trailer. Let's see. Okay.
your it's like a 1 minute.
Okay. So not natin. We already have. Yeah.
This is for your returning subscriber. Your channel trailer is actually your
Parang
it's like a
pangit yung
1 minute.
transition. Okay. So lagyan natin siya ng animation. Na yung start of the clip niya is from edge to center. Kaya lang, let's start left to center. Okay? Let's do it this way. So, para naman yung transition, hindi masyadong.
For your returning subscriber. Your channel trailer is actually your it's like a 1 minute, at least 1 minute video trailer. Okay, so make sure that it's 1 minute, because you know the algorithm of YouTube, right? So kailangan para maging organic and natural yung subscription niya, ng mga subscribers mo dapat mayroong at least 1 minute, okay, na watch hour from that new subscriber. Okay, so again, so that's the importance of having a channel trailer, because it's a lot easier for your new subscribers to click, okay, the subscription button. Okay, because as you can see in the ending part of the channel trailer, like this one. Okay, so when it ends, there you go. Okay, so they can actually click immediately the subscribe button after that channel trailer. Okay, so it's a lot easier for them to click in or to click the subscribe button. Okay, so that's one of the benefits of having a channel trailer. Okay.
Okay. So, that's the beauty, guys, of the channel trailer. Okay? I-emphasize ko lang. Para mas madali for your new subscribers, to subscribe. Okay? Especially if they have not subscribed yet kasi ando na yung
Mga
button.
Jaconetics. All right, this time we will be creating a channel trailer. Okay, so again, if you have not signed up for Canva, in the description there is a link there where you can click and then sign up for a free account in Canva. So
Yeah,
again,
sign up for
Canva
free,
has
guys.
a
In
free
Canva,
account,
it's for
and at the
free.
same time, meron din siyang Canva Pro and Enterprise. Okay, Canva Enterprise. Okay, so at Canva free, kahit free lang yung account mo, you can still create a lot and good looking videos and thumbnails, okay, or any pictures or any presentation. So this time let's go to create a design, and then we will just type YouTube channel trailer. Okay, so channel trailer, or wala mismo yung channel trailer, so we just have to select okay, video. Okay, YouTube video ad. Okay, that's YouTube video ad. So let's go and then create a YouTube video art. Okay, yan. Alright, so andito na tayo for the channel trailer. So actually you can use a lot of elements. You can make your own design, okay? But for the purpose of tutorial, alam nyo naman kung paano gamitin na yung Canva, because it's already part 5 if you are following my videos. So yeah, you can use different elements. You can use your own designs. Ang daming mga elements dito, guys, that you can use from, okay? Like this one. And then ang dami-daming mga free. Alright? So this time, we will be using a template for tutorial purposes. Okay? Para hindi tayo maba. And then this time, we are going to apply all 3 pages. Okay? So ito yung ma-apply natin basing on our own template. Okay. So, ganyan. So, ganyan yung mga nangyayari. Okay? This is actually your first page. Okay? And this is 15 seconds. So we can actually add later, okay, to make it 1 minute video trailer. Okay, so ito yung ginawa ko. Ito yung actually this is the template that I use in my channel trailer. Okay, so again, guys, this is just drag and drop. Okay, so you can actually create Mas malaki ito. If you want more videos to insert, okay, or if you want a picture to insert, you just have it here, okay? So, ganito lang. Okay, there you go. Alright, so you can also add other elements or other frames that you can use, okay, like this one, okay? So you can add this one, and then you can also add this one, okay? So this is just
So
that you
I
can
think
use,
here,
okay, like
kailangan ko
this
na siya
one,
i-ano.
okay? You can also add other to insert. You just have it here, okay?
Gusto ko na
Okay? So you can actually create, mas malaki ito. If you want more videos to insert, okay, or if you want a picture to insert, you just have it here, okay? So, ganito lang. Okay, there you go. Alright, so you can also add other elements or other frames that you can use, okay, like this one, okay? So you can add this one.
Okay, dito guys, kailangan ko nang i-ano siya, i-cut and then do it a little, parang mag-fast forward tayo. Okay? So, para naman hindi na masyado humaba pa yung ating video. So, ayan. So, ganun talaga pag mag-edit ng video guys, you really have to listen okay, or to watch again para makita mo talaga kung saan mo siya ika-cut. Okay? So, yung objective ko talaga is more or less 15. The most na siguro yung 17 minutes. Okay? As much as possible, 10 to 15. Ganyan. Pag hindi na talaga makaya o lumalampas ng 15 minutes. Okay? So, let's see kung saan tayo pwede mag-cut.
And then you can also add this one, okay? So
Para,
this is just, I'm just gonna tell you guys how to create it, okay? So you can have, you know, these things here, okay? So labo-labo na, okay? But again, you can always make it good, okay? You can make plus star plus star, plus star bisdak, okay? So you make plus star there and you make plus star here and everywhere, okay? So you can always resize your frame there, okay? So, yan. Okay. So, masyado na basa yun naman text.
so
And then
let's
you can
see
also edit your
hanggang
texts.
saan.
Okay, if you would like to edit your text. So, andito lang yun naman yan. Okay? So, ganyan. Okay? So, hindi ko na siya masyado onihin guys. Basta, okay? So, like for example, my video is how-to videos. Okay? So, ganyan lang. No? How-to videos. Alright? And then, this one, since this is a video, so gusto ko lang picture lang yung nandito. Okay?
Okay, dito
My,
siguro.
so ganyan. Okay? So,
Ayan, hanggang dito. Hanggang dito na lang. Ayan, okay? So, in this portion of the video, gusto ko siya i-fast forward. Okay? So, again, when you want to fast forward a certain video, so you just click the arrow down na makikita nyo dito sa clip, and then go to time. Okay? And then fast. Piliin mo yung fast, and then you go forward. Gusto ko siya i-forward ng 4 times. Okay? Ayan. So, bawas na tayo ng ilang mga, you know. And let's see. Okay? So, kung anong mangyayari.
so you can add this one.
Mabilis ang mga pangyayari sa buhay. Ayan. Okay? And then, let's continue this one. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung
Videos.
transition.
Okay? So,
Okay lang ba siya?